If you want to create a new mail and then send it to others, then what you need to do is you need to go around onto the home tab right here. Then over here you can see that new mail is an option. So if I were to go around and click on new mail right here, so once you do that, you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto the top and select out the email address that you want to select from. You can also select other email address, as you can see, but there you can see that I have two email address over here, so you can simply go around and choose from which email you want to send the message from. I'm going to choose the top one, and let's say for example I'm going to go around and type in TutorTube channel right here. So I'm just going to go around and say channel at gmail.com right here. So this is what I'm going to go around and do. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube channel at gmail.com right here. So this is going to be the email address over here that I'm going to send to, and this is actually saved as this name right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then type in test email right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go around and say this is a test email that I am sending to myself right here. So from TutorTube at outlook.com, I'm sending it to TutorTube at my TutorTube channel at gmail.com. So I'm just going to go around over here. You also have an option to schedule, but I'm just going to go around and hit the send button right now. Once you hit the send button, what happens is that it'll be sent. It goes into the outbox and it's sent. And then on the inbox on the other side, it will be loaded out. So you can see that this is the test mail that has been just sent from this email to this email, and you can see that I have received it. And that is the process. You can go around, create a new mail, and then select out the email that you want to send the message from, and then you can go around and then send out mails. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.